Are you a Slingshot owner? Aftermarket accessories draining your battery? Tired of being stranded? Well, look no further. Today we have the SLG-DBATT-20UP. It's a battery mount kit made to install your second battery on your Slingshot. Installation is super simple. Today I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it. Let's go.
All right, so here we're gonna start with the SLG second battery kit, new by DS18. First, we're gonna start off with a mounting plate that holds the battery in place. You're gonna mount this between the two tubes that are there. They're gonna mount exactly with these edges. They're gonna mount right on the tube and it's gonna hold in place. This is gonna be on the outer side of the Slingshot. This will be on the inner side of the Slingshot. As soon as you mount that, you're gonna use the two provided U-clamps. First one's gonna mount like this. Right. You're gonna use the hold-on bar. Make sure you don't tighten nothing to the end. You're gonna use a washer and a lock nut per side. Then you're gonna mount the other one. You're gonna use it on the ones that are oval. Make sure, because there's two sets of holes. And you're gonna mount this here. What this is gonna do, it's gonna hold the bar and the bracket in place. You're gonna use the other hold down bar. You're gonna do the same. You're gonna use a washer and a lock nut. Another washer and a lock nut. This time, go ahead and tighten it down so it doesn't move. This is the way it should be, like this. You're gonna get your battery. First of all, you're gonna get one of your L brackets, place it in here, put it to the side so it doesn't move. You're gonna get your second L bracket, put it in the round holes. So make sure, because like I said, there was two sets of holes. Make sure you put in the round holes. Then you're gonna get your battery with the ground side facing the outer, because it'll be the closest to the point to your ground where I told you to put before. You're gonna place your battery, move it all the way to flat here on this side, and in between the two holding bars. Then you're gonna use this plastic hold down bar. You're gonna first put it here, make sure it's adjusted correctly so it holds it down. Then you're gonna place one L bar, in the hole. You're gonna use the larger washers, that there's only two, and a butterfly nut. You're gonna hold it down, tighten it to it just snug. Then you're gonna get the second washer with the second butterfly. You're gonna raise the hold down bar past the L bracket, the L bolt down, place the washer, use the second wing nut, and then same thing. You're gonna snug it down. You're gonna make sure your battery is in place. You're gonna make sure the hold on bar is in the middle, and then you're gonna proceed to snug the two screws. Remember, snug it down, don't over tighten because you can break the plastic hold on bar. All you wanna be able to make sure is that it doesn't move. So once it's snug, you can't move it, it's snug. Now, the ground cable that I had told you earlier, you're gonna go ahead and remove your ground bolt from your battery. You're gonna ground that, tighten the two screws, and you're done. From the beginning, you should have removed the positive cable going to the front. So at that point, you go ahead and you grab that cable, you place it on here, put it on here. Once this is tightened, you walk to the front and you connect your original terminal to the battery, plus this one that was run to the front. And that concludes the installation.